Like it or not, it's coming, and you're gonna want to know what it is. I already told my friends, so you might as well tell everybody else on September 14th at 8 a.m. You could be a diehard fan, you could be a hater, you could be a lover, because it's still a love and hate relationship. Yes, indeed, it's coming, and it's 7 days away, and I'm bringing this news to you on my channel. And let me tell you, it's not a leak, it's not a rumor, it's directly from the company themselves, the proper way of doing things that you know. The title gives it all away, not clickbait. For you it could be, but let me tell you, rather having a little square red LED in the center, it is now on the shutter button, so this way you can turn it on and off, and the square button is no longer square, it's round. Did the camera do vertical before? It's doing it now, and that's all we see. We know it's going to be a nice size screen, and it's not going to be edge to edge, but it is going to be a 16:9 ratio screen, not some 4:3 a little after. It's a DJI Action 3, baby! Yes, it is a DJI Action 3. It's coming out, the original action camera, 2nd generation. There is no name for it yet, but it's coming. It's so funny that a company can put out their debut at 8 a.m. September 14th in GoPro Mini, a GoPro Professional, a GoPro Session 2, a GoPro Max 2, and there's probably another 2 or 3 or 4 more models that we can name, and GoPro is supposed to come out with 4, and they can't even come out with one single photo from this site debuting a camera. I hate to burst your bubble, people, but are you gonna get it? GoPro Mini that we have no idea at all, or are you gonna get a DJI Action 3 that we have some idea what's coming in the near future? Bugs and issues, bugs and issues, a ton of bugs and a ton of issues. Wait a second, that's why GoPro comes out with the new camera each and every time. I love GoPro, I hate GoPro. It's a love and hate relationship, and definitely DJI I'm excited about. It's going to be on my channel, it's going to be shared to you when I get it, and of course I'm the return guy, and yeah, that's what I return back to the company. Did you know that? You knew everything. You knew I was the return guy. Yes, you did. Hey, welcome to the show. I'm the return guy. Did I return? Sure I did, and here I am. I'm most sure there's 1,000 videos already saying DJI Action 2nd generation is out. Last night, yesterday, it was very dark in my house, and I did a couple of reviews, and let me tell you, the action camera did a great job. DJI Osmo Action, that is. And I had a little desk lamp. I was happy with it. The low light performance kills GoPro, if you ask me. And it wasn't on HDR video, and I should have put it on HDR video. Oh look, I'm lying. Oh, I'm lying so bad for the DJI themselves. Let me just read you some of the comments. Hell yeah! New action to knock GoPro down a peg or two. A unit to test out with content. Shame they didn't just make the action too decent. If I had a different color science at least an hour battery. Man, where can I pre-order? Oh yes, Action 3. Original design is back, baby. Crystal sky. And the thing goes on and on and on. Yeah, the wind, man. It's gonna have excellent wind noise reduction. It's gonna have HDR video. It's gonna have everything the Action 1 has. Gonna have time lapse. It's gonna have its own hyperlapse, photo lapse. It's gonna have its rock steady 3.0. Oh yeah, it's getting up there. The sun, that is. Running for the shot. I see this lady every day. She does her exercises, her same dance, and then she grabs her phone out, she grabs the shot. She does a great job. I just had to move a little forward so this way she didn't walk into me in my 11-second space. I love my 11-second space. Not a GoPro 11, that is. If this DJI Action 2nd generation camera comes out in my pocket, my hands, and it works out quite well, that may be the end of my GoPro Hero 10. I'm not going to sell it off. It doesn't do the indoor shots the way I want it to do. It's my bike vlog camera. I can't get rid of my bike vlog camera, but my primary camera is going to be DJI. Well, I'm not insulting GoPro, because when GoPro comes out, I'll probably say the same thing on that vlog. This vlog, DJI, and then GoPro 7. I don't have my light on now. I turned it off because I believe it's enough light to get my point across. GoPro, they come out with the Mini, they leak the rumor, they show a picture, and it resembles the Max big time. It almost looked like the fingers were just pasted on, and I'm not even sure if they folded up. That was the look that I didn't want to click the person's video, because I wasn't interested in clickbait. And it didn't have a front screen. I didn't pay that much attention at all. I wouldn't want a 4:3 aspect ratio screen that's on the GoPro Hero 10 shoved into a GoPro Mini. To me, it sounds like they've taken all the refurbs, rejects, and brought it into a GoPro Mini. That means the bones that hardly ever work to hear that it's perfect, hearing all the complaints on, oh, my camera bricked this and that. So what does GoPro do with all the defective and broken down parts? They come out with a new camera called the Mini. Did everybody say they would love to see a GoPro Session come out? What'd they do? Come out with a Mini. Many want to see a wireless mic. What did they come out with? Nothing. That's going to be the settings and the resolutions. Probably as high as 2.7K. I don't think they're going to go any higher. They do 4K. They're not going to offer you any higher frame rates or things like that. They'll just come out with a Mini. Woo-hoo! Yeah, excited to hear that the camera's coming out. Oh, yes, indeed. I gotta make this slide. I gotta make this slide. We all are rushing past lights. Oh man, wake up to that news. Puts a big smile on our faces, doesn't it? That's why I'm getting this video out to you, to share to you, and hopefully you'll get one too. Oh, I'm Fish, and I'm happy as you know it, as you do. Happy as you know it, happy as you do. So, thank you very much for joining. Hope to catch you on many other videos. And stay tuned for that review. I'll catch you later, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful day.